From our school.
Yes.
Okay, Miss Desi, please give your some words for our students today.
Okay, for our students, this is your time. Share your best and fighting!
Yay! Everyone, give applause for Norman Soli 9! Philippines!
Philippines!
This performance must be so amazing. Wow! Sometimes are you ready?
They are so well prepared today.
What do you think acting is?
We have drama musical. We have musical drama. Next question. You have three animals that eat other animals or carnivore. Give us.